A species of giant grass developed at Mississippi State University garnered some nationwide attention recently at a field day in Georgia. Freedom giant miscanthus is seen as a major new player in the biomass market. Biomass can be either burned directly or used to make cellulosic ethanol. Reprieve Renewables has purchased a license from MSU to produce and sell Freedom giant miscanthus. It recently held a field day to interest others in growing or using the grass. Farmweek's Amy Taylor reports from Soperton, Georgia.
It may look like 12 feet of dead grass, but this variety of giant miscanthus called Freedom is said to be a powerhouse for biomass. Those who have been waiting to learn more about this crop got to ask questions and visit the fields during the Freedom Giant Miscanthus Field Day held at Reprieve Renewables. The Freedom cultivar was developed by Mississippi State and licensed to the South Georgia firm. Demonstrations showed how the grass is planted, grown, cut, and baled. Chief Operations Officer Philip Jennings discusses how growers can purchase and grow the miscanthus.
We would sell rhizomes to individual farmers or landowners, and they would take those rhizomes and grow them to produce their crop. The same as we would sell seed or corn to a producer to grow corn or cotton. We sell them rhizomes and they grow their biomass crop. We have a number of farmers who are already growing it in our area, and we intend to keep getting it out to additional farmers to grow. It's going to be used for gasoline, it'll be used for diesel fuel, pyrolysis oils, a number 4 diesels. It will be used for pellets to go to Europe. It will also be used as fillers in plastics and other things.
In order to be burned for fuel, the grass is compacted and formed into bricks. Dr. Brian Baldwin, alternative crops professor at Mississippi State University, explains why it will be important to develop other giant miscanthus varieties besides Freedom.
When one plant gets it, all the other plants will get it too. And so I'm working with Maria Tomaso-Peterson in biochemistry, plant pathology, and entomology to screen new varieties of giant miscanthus that we're developing for their resistance or susceptibility to new diseases.
MSU researchers and specialists say biomass from the crop has been converted to engine fuel. About 200 visitors from all over the country attended the Freedom Giant Miscanthus Field Day. From Soperton, Georgia, I'm Amy Taylor reporting.